Your Zephyr ion vaporizer is designed for the easiest possible operation. You can be enjoying pure quality vapor within minutes of opening the box. To get started, follow these steps. Plug your ion in. When it is plugged in, the power LED and the LCD screen will glow red. This is to show that the device has power, although it will not be on. Turn your ion on by pressing the power button once. The power LED will change to green to show that the heating element is on. The LCD screen will remain red and the desired temperature will flash as the device heats up. Once the device has reached the desired temperature, the LCD screen will turn green. Prepare your aromatic plant material and fill the basket by grinding the material and then placing it loosely in the basket. You can fill the basket as little or as much as you like. Typically, we recommend filling the basket between quarter and half full. The goal when grinding your aromatic plant material is to create as much surface area as possible for the hot air to flow over, so grind finely to maximize surface area and vapor. Never overfill the basket with aromatic plant material. Open the lid of the ion and place the basket in the basket holder. Make sure that it is sitting flat before attempting to close the lid. The lid will close easily when the basket is seated correctly. An alternate approach that can be used for a denser vapor is to place the basket in the ion while it is heating up. This preheats your aromatic plant material inside the unit as it heats up. Your ion is easy to use with either a bag or whip. It comes with 2 valves with bags already attached as well as a whip. The patented Zephyr ion valve is an easy-to-use push-button design. Press the valve button firmly to open the valve. Releasing the button will cause the valve to close. To connect the valve to your ion for filling, press and hold the valve button all the way, then slide the open valve down onto the air straw. You can let go of the button once the valve is sitting properly on the straw. The straw is designed to hold the valve open. When properly attached, the mouthpiece of the valve will be flush with the top of the lid. We recommend practicing attaching the valve and bag assembly a few times before turning on the device so you are familiar with the technique. To remove the valve/bag, firmly press the valve button and slide the valve straight up and off the straw. When lined up properly, the valve will easily slide down onto the straw. To avoid damaging the straw, never force the valve down on it. Never wiggle the valve side to side when attaching and detaching it from the straw. Press the air button to start airflow and wait about 5 seconds before sliding the valve/bag attachment onto the air straw. Unless you have preheated your aromatic plant material as described, it takes about 5 seconds to heat up and begin to volatilize the aromatic compounds. When the bag begins to reach capacity, turn the airflow off by pressing the air button again. Then, remove the valve/bag attachment and also remove the basket from the basket holder. When you are done filling the bag, open the lid and leave it open to prevent the device from building up excessive heat. Remove the aromatic plant material between bag fillings so that its active compounds are not squandered. Carefully open the lid and pick up the basket by the handle. Use caution when removing the basket and be aware that the surfaces inside of the lid, the basket area, and the basket itself can become very hot. To inhale vapor, press the valve button and hold the mouthpiece of the valve against your lips. Inhale. Vapor is most effective right after it has been volatilized. The effectiveness will decrease the longer it is left in the bag. Once the bag is filled with vapor, we recommend using it within 10 minutes. Depending on the quality of the aromatic plant material and the concentration of the aromatic compounds in it, you may be able to fill multiple bags from one basket of the aromatic plant material. We have included multiple valves so that bags may be filled in succession. Vapor density will diminish as the active compounds in your aromatic plant material are completely volatilized. To use your ion's whip, follow the same steps as for bag operation, but before pressing the air button, attach the whip to the top of the ion. You can use the whip with or without airflow, depending on your preference. If you'd like your ion to pump air while using the whip, press the air button. Once visible vapor is no longer being produced, remove and empty the basket. When you are done using the ion, turn the device off by pushing the power button. Your ion has an automatic shutoff safety feature. The default shutoff time is 1 hour, or 60 minutes. The shutoff timer will restart from the last time you press any of the buttons on the ion. You can adjust this automatic shutoff time by pressing the air button and the plus button at the same time. Then, use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the automatic shutoff time. When finished adjusting the automatic shutoff timer, Press the Air button again to exit this setup screen. The maximum time is 3 hours or 180 minutes. We have provided you with 4 extra replacement bags. We recommend replacing the bags every 1 to 2 months, depending on the frequency of usage. Please see our separate bag changing video for instructions on changing your bag. We hope you enjoy your Zephyr Ion Vaporizer. Please contact us with any questions.